boys. Snow's almost gone. Okay. Where are we going to put this? There it is. That's one of them. There she is. This is the sloppy one. I don't know if you can hear that. The other side's better than that. Yeah, see? But I'm not going to just change one. I picked up two. And she's due for an oil change. Let's make sure we got the right ones, eh? That would suck if I did not have the right ones. Oh my god. That looks about right. Nice. Dogs. But I'm dealing with this all the time. That's nothing. And then they do this shit. So I'm going to get a fence up this year, but I got to repair this crap. Keep them out of here before they dig up my new lawn. Oh, look, more poo. Wait till that hardens before I deal with it. Okay, poops. Yeah, you're the problem child. You like to dig, don't you? Hey, Manny? Your brother's a problem child, isn't he? Okay, well, it's done. Not sure how much of that I got. Just got to torque it down. But I think the camera wasn't rolling for that. Oh well, we'll do the other side. We're back here in the garage to finish off the sweeper links in the van. Problem is it got cold, so the door's closed. So, but I did pick up A new tool. See how this baby works. There's my power pod. Nice.
See if the new tool works. Alright, we need to hit it with the big boy first. Why are you fucking doing this to me, man? Bitch, get out of here. Maybe not. Put it back on there.
Okay, we're rolling. I don't know if we were rolling last time.
Shit.
We died, so I'm gonna try this camera. These are my other new toy. My shades that are a camera, but I don't really know where the focus is, so I don't know if you can see this. I'm looking right there, so I'm hoping the camera's looking there too. That's the thing I don't like about this. Up close, it's very difficult to know where the camera is looking. Far away, it's okay. Anyways, here goes.
Oh yeah, the new tool I bought sucks. It does. It's not very good at all. It's very loud. No, it's very loud. This is not very good. Screw this tool. Skipper. What the hell over there?
all torqued down. There they are. And this one that was making noise before. Hopefully I got the clunking sound. Hi boys. Hey, some love to the daily. I'm pooped, so I'll do the oil change tomorrow. I'm too tired to do anything else today because that's it for me. Hi buddy. Here's my baby. Cooper, come here, boo. Hey, where are my boys? Oh, I love you guys.